Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT3 and let me share with you how to fix app crashing. So if you've got the app which constantly crashes and you have no idea what to do, then let's begin with the force stop, because sometimes the app which is opened in the background might cause some problems. So just find the app which you'd like to force stop, tap on it and hold it, and then tap on App Info. So here, before we will forcefully stop it, I highly recommend to tap on Storage Usage, and here we've got the cache section, and tap on Clear Cache, because this is, I would say, some junk files which are usually saved, but they are not necessary. So just clear the cache and then force stop. Tap on Force Stop, and after that you can either immediately try to open the app and check if it is working, and if it is working, it's great. But you can also try to reset your device just by pressing the power button and volume up button and then dragging this ball to the restart option. Your device will be automatically powered off and then powered on, and this operation will basically save the changes, like confirm the changes. So this is what you can do. The second thing is to check for the updates, especially if it is the app which was previously downloaded from the Play Store. Make sure that you've got the internet connection and make sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to log in, and then we can enter the Play Store. So now we can simply tap on the search icon, tap on search and enter the name of the app which you'd like to update, and here it will pop up here. If the update is available, instead of open you will see update. So then just tap on update and your device will download the newest version and apply it. Hopefully it will work, but sometimes over saving the new update, the new version over the old one can cause some problems. And in that case, I highly recommend to get back to this section and tap on uninstall. So your device will basically uninstall the app, and after a second, after, for example, a restart, you can also restart your device. I highly recommend to tap on install again, so just apply it. You can also do it in your own apps, I mean in the drawer, for example. Just tap on the app and hold it, and then you've got this uninstall option. Another thing which you can do is to check for the system update, because sometimes the older system versions might interfere with the apps. So let's go to the settings. Again, make sure that you've got the internet connection. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and find System and Update. And here we've got the software update. After tapping on it, your device will check for the updates, and you will be able to find whether you've got the update pending. If so, I highly recommend to download it and install. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.